Get in the shower, Pete.
Pete's losing his patience. His tail's lagging.
You know, Ronnie, folks who save hundreds of dollars by switching to Geico sure are happy. And how happy are they, Jimmy? I'd say happier than a bodybuilder directing traffic. He doesn't look happy. Get happy. Get Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
I went to Ancestry.com, and these leaf hints led me to my great-grandfather Ernesto and his brothers, all barbers. I come from a long line of hair. Get started with your family history at Ancestry.com, and we'll help you make your own discoveries.
All we need now is that porn music. Oh, hey, what's up? Don't stop.
You need LifeLock, the only identity theft protection company that now monitors bank accounts for takeovers.
Can you see that he's sitting on him?
Relentlessly protecting your identity.
Well, yeah.
1-800-LifeLock or go to lifelock.com today. It feels like my whole life has been spent out here. I've always felt at home outdoors. For me, being outdoors means being free, being unconstrained. You see it in pictures, but nothing like actually seeing it for yourself. I consider myself a very versatile adventurer. Hiking, rafting, mountain biking, anything that gets me out in the wilderness.
What you doing, Pete?
I need a car that is as versatile as my adventures.
Oh, all done.
You never know when you're going to pull over and have an amazing experience. In my life,
What'd you think?
I'm ready for the next one. There are a lot of different ways you can go. Figuring out the right one.
Didn't buy you dinner or nothing, huh?
Purchase any iComfort or iSeries sleep system by Serta, featuring cool action gel memory foam. And choose from a free standard box spring. Or save up to $400 on a Serta Motion Perfect adjustable foundation.
Yeah.
Plus 4 years interest-free financing of
Pete.
It's a great time to save this week at Walker's.
You wait for him to finish?
Football, Wi-Fi, wings.
Pete.
Now that's a business plan. Glad you like it. Question is, how are you liking Charter Business? Well, our internet's a lot more powerful than the phone company DSL. We can actually run all this now. Plus, we've got reliable phone and we're saving like crazy. Another everyday victory.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh, his turn. He's not only a giving cat, but he's a receiving cat, too.
$500 gift card. Call now.
This is a desperate wolf. They can attack my daughter.
Yep, he rolled over. I guess we're all done for the night.